Hi, Kiki. Oh, you're so adorable. You loving your kitty tower, buddy? Yeah? Loving that, aren't you? Who's up here? Oh, look at Cece. Your Cece's up here asleep, buddy. Well, no, she ain't. She's like, Daddy, leave me alone. I'm trying to sleep. Nope, not today, Kiki. I's gonna record you. Hey, baby. Hi. 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 Hey. Hey, pretty girl. Yeah, I know. It's cold outside, so y'all chilling inside, huh? Oh, yeah. Chilling inside watching TV. Uh-huh. Yeah. You're a good kitty. Hey, what's up, pretty boy? Hi. Hi, Kiki. Get it, Kiki. Get it. Yeah. Get it, boy. Oh, yeah. Get it. Yeah. You actually so fun, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, Kiki. Get it, buddy. Ooh. Ooh. Love and exposure, Kiki. Any point you do like this video, make sure you smash that like button. This one will be going up into the Kitty Dens playlist. Give him some love, Brontosaurus. Call him Brontosaurus because he was a runt, the runt of the litter. Picked him up, I could hold him in my hand, and now look at him, he's just so big. Ooh, buddy, you just got so big so fast. Yeah, you did, Brontosaurus, because he was so tiny, yet he had the heart of a Brontosaurus. Yeah, he's the Brontosaurus. This little cutie right here. Ooh, my little long-haired tabby. Ooh, hi, baby. Yes, sir. Also, make sure you share this on your favorite social media platform. Y'all know we're no longer on Facebook or any of those. The only thing we're on right now is YouTube. And get down in those other playlists. Other than that, peeps, it's the Toker's Den. And these are our den kitties. Oh, wait. Yeah, little cutie pie. You're so fucking adorable, dude. Oh, my God, I just love... Use your belly rubs? Oh, daddy... Oh, for daddy. Oh, there goes the rabbit feet. Oh, there goes the rabbit feet. Oh, you got my thumb. You got that thumb. Oh, yeah, boy. You ham. All right, peeps. Much love. Y'all have a good one. Look at you. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt your sleep. I know. Daddy's a jerk. But you, on the other hand, nigga, you ham right now, bro. Yeah. Say goodbye, Kiki. Say goodbye.